Happy morning, children. I have teach the lessons animal kingdoms. Then only we have to. I have to teach the topic classification living organizations. Teach finished. Okay. Then only next headings physics for classifications. We can divide the animal kingdoms based on the level of organizations. So that is arrangement of cells, body symmetries, genes layers, and nature of colon. Okay, that is what are the basic of classifications in animal kingdoms. That is animal kingdoms is classified on basics of levels of organization, body symmetry, germinal layers, and nature colium, and segmentations and presence of notochord. Okay, that is symmetric. That is symmetrics or level organizations. Then only that is symmetrics. It is a plan of arrangement of body parts. That is radial symmetry or bilateral symmetries, or the two types of symmetries. In radial symmetries, the body parts of arrangement are around the central axis. So central axis in any directions, divided into similar halves. Examples: hydra, jellyfish, and starfish. In bilateral symmetries, the body parts are arrangement along central axis. If the animals cut through the central axis, we get two identical havels, etc. frogs. Gems layers. What is gems layers? That is formed during development of an embryo. These layers gives rise to different organs. Embryo begins an adult. Okay, organization show with two germs layers, ectoderms and endoderms. There are two organization of germs layers. Classification of kingdoms animals based on the fundamental features. First one of all, kingdom. Second one, levels of organizations. Third one, symmetry. Fourth one, column or body cavity. Phylum. Fifth one, phylum. That is animal, multicellular. What is multicellular? That is divided into two parts, cellular level and tissues, organ systems. That is two parts of cellular levels and tissues, organ systems. Cellular levels, there is one part, forifera. Okay, that is one for forifera. This is organ systems. There are divided into two, radial and bilateral. Radial and bilateral. Then only bilateral, there are three types divided into acoelamotes and pseudoelamotes and coelamotes. Okay, aso elements and that is examples of aso elements, உடற்குழி அச்சவை. Okay, pseudoelamotes, that is போலி உடற்குழி உடையவை. Okay, then only coleomotes, true colio, and உண்மையான உடற்குழி உடையவை. That is examples. Okay, that is bilateral. What is three types? There are into three types of that is acoelamotes, that is platyhelminthes. Okay, platyhelminthes. Acoelements divided into one parts, platyhelminthes. Then only achillominthes. Okay, achillominthes. There are coleomates. There are five types of into divided parts. Okay, annelida and arthropoda and mollusco and echinodermata and hemichordato and chordato. Okay, There is the classification of kingdoms animals based on the fundamental features. First one, diploplastics animals. Examples of hydra organism with three germs layers. Okay, germs layers, that is examples of diploplastic animals. Triplastic animals, rabbit. Then only coelom. It is a fluid filled body cavities. It is separated digestive tract from the body wall. This is called as located with the mesoderm. Based on the natures of coelom, animals divided into three groups: acoelomates and acoelomates, and do not have body cavities. Examples of tapeworm. Pseudocoelomates and coelomates have the false body cavities of roundworms. Coelomates, ecocoelomates have two columns. Examples of earthworm, that is frog. Okay, we have to search your books and reading that your books repeatedly again this hard words. Okay, students, slow learnings of repeatedly the words anytime repeat again. So your tongue is pronunciation, it is very carefully using for that words. Okay, then only binomial nomenclature. Okay, binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature. Okay, that is Carlos Linnaeus introduced the methods of naming that animals with two names known as binomial nomenclature. The first name is called genus. Okay, first letters of genus denoted in capital, and the second one of the specific name denoted in smaller letters. Okay, the phenomenal names of some common animals are as follows. That is more common name of phenomenal names. I have tell the two names. Amoebos, that is Amoeba proteus. Hydros, Hydro vulgaris. Okay, tapeworm, Tatinosolium, that is roundworms. Ascaris lumbricoids. Okay, Ascaris lumbricoids, that is earthworms. Lampito morti, leech, Hirunteria and Granulosa, that is common name of binomial name. Okay, then only invertebrates. What is invertebrates? Phylum Porphyria, Parares. Okay, there is these multicellulose non-motile aquatic organism commonly called as sponges. They exhibit cellular grade of organizations. Body is perforated with many pores called as ostia. That is into body through osteas lead to canal systems. So food oxygens carries to canal systems, circulates water throughout body and carries food oxygens. The body wall contains spicles. The skeletal frameworks, that is reproduction is by both actual and sexual method. Examples of Eupilitria cycon. Okay, Eupilitria cycons. So two examples of animals, invertebrates, and then only phylum Coelenterata. Okay, Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata. This is Coelenterata or aquatic organization, mostly marine and few freshwater forms. They multicellular, radially symmetrically animals with diffuse grade of organization. Body wall is diploboplastic with two layers, and outer ectoderms and inner endoderms are separated by non-cellular jelly-like substance called mesoglia coelenteron, with mouth surrounded by short tentacles. The tentacles pierce staining cells called cinetoplasms and nematocytes. Okay, nematocytes. Many coelenteros exhibit polymorphism, which variation in the structures and functions individual of the same species. Second one, flatworms. What is flatworms? Phylum and Platyhelminthes. Okay, Platyhelminthes. They are bilaterally symmetrically triploplastics, acolomate, and without body cavities animals. Most of them the parasitics in nature. So suckers and cooks helps the animal to attach itself to the body of the host. That is hermaphrodites having both male and female reproductive organs and single individuals. Examples of liver flack and tapeworms. Okay, that is examples of phylum Platyhelminthes. Then only phylum Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes bilaterally symmetrically triploplastic animals. The body cavity is the piscitocolum. Free living soil forms or as practices. So covered thin cuticle. Sexes are separate. The most common diseases caused by the nemato in human beings: elephantiasis and ascariasis. Examples of ascaris and Volturia. Okay, that is male or female roundworm. These examples of phylum Aschelminthes. Second one's phylum Annelida, segment of worms. These are the same process. First, true coelomate animals with the organ system create the organization's body externally divided into segment called metamerous, joined by the ring-like structures called annuli. It is covered by moist thin cuticles. Locomata of organs, sexes may be separated or united. Examples of earthworms and leech. Okay. Then only phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda of animal kingdom. They normal uses of symmetrically tripoplastics and coelomate animals. The body divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. Those segment bears pairs jointed legs. This is called as castings of an recurving of exoskeleton is called as molting. So hemolymph blood. The blood does not flow in blood vessels and circulates throughout the body. This is called as open circulatory system. So examples of centipede and multipede. Examples of centipede and multipede. So then only so centipede means 100 legs, but most species have only 30 pairs. Millipedes have two pairs of legs on each segment. This names means 1,000 legs, but most multipeds have only about 100. Okay. Second one's of phylum mollusca. Okay, phylum molluscas. There are divisibles of group animals living marine fresh waters and terrestrial habitats. Body is bilaterally symmetrical, soft and without segmentations. It is divided into head, muscular foot and visceral mass. Foot helps us locomotion. Okay, so that is called of mantle which secrete out the hard calcareous cells. So some examples of cod and snail. Okay, some examples of cod and snail. Octopus is the only invertebrates that is capable of emotions, empathy, cognitive functions, self-awareness, personality, and even relationship with humans. Some spectacles that without a human octopus would eventually take our place, that dominate life form on earth. Okay. Okay, thank you students. Thank you to all.